wait, did I say that already? I said that, didn't I? Oh, for sure said that. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys, you know what it is? I keep seeing my kitty ears in the little viewfinder. I'm just like, oh my god, look at my little cat ears. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's what I have for you. It is day 2 of February 2019 Box Week. It took me a second. I was like, what day is it? What month is it? What year is it? I don't know. Drew never knows. So we don't really know how she actually functions in life outside of Box Week, but rest assured, it's a struggle. So hi guys, welcome back. I'm Drew. Wait, did I say that already? I said that, didn't I? Oh, for sure said that. Okay, well, if you're Box Week, if you're new, if you're brand new, what is this? What is this intro? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, but also it's kind of fun. I don't know. So if you're brand new, you know what it is? I keep seeing my kitty ears in the little viewfinder. I'm just like, oh my god, look at my little cat ears. I don't know. So if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew, and Box Week is the best week every month. My YouTube channel is the 1 week. Every month, me and my YouTube family, the Just Like Drew crew, spend 7 consecutive days together. You're catching us on day 2. So there's going to be a new video every day for 7 days. We open up all my subscription boxes. We hang out. We make friends. If you want to be in the Just Like Drew crew, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be our crew. Okay, so tonight I'm really excited. We are going to be opening up one of my absolutely most favorite subscription boxes. It was so good last month that Helicopter Mom finally signed up for her own box. She literally caved. Like, she was like, I want the box. So Helicopter Mom now subscribe. Helicopter Mom approved box tonight. We're opening up Boxy Charm. Boxy Charm is a $21 per month subscription box. It is literally one of the best subscriptions on the market. If you watch this video and you're like, I need to get that box, I have a referral code down below, saying down below this video in the description box. Really quick, we will be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway, which is right here. This box is full of goodies from last month, starting out this month, and when that box is full, probably at the end of this month, I will post a video telling you how you can win it. It's just something I fill up and send out to somebody who wins the giveaway. It's just a fun thing that we do on my channel. I don't know. I love it. It's one of my favorite things. Okay, so I have my man, Mr. John Wayne, here to help me open up Boxy Charm. Like I said, this box is good. This is one of the best boxes on the market. It really is. I say this every month, but the value is just like incomparable to any other box I've ever gotten, period. Okay, so opening up, it says this box is called Afterglow. I'm feeling like this box might be about highlighter and glow, and I'm just like excited about it. All right, so on the very top, I have No Pore Blem Primer from Touch and Soul. Okay, smooth and pore covering, top secret, perfect for pore. Okay, so I'm trying to see. This bottle is $18 value. I don't know why I'm looking at the card. I never do it this way, and I'm just looking at it. So this is a full-size primer, it looks like, for your pores. I actually have a lot of primer right now, so I'm going to put this whole bottle, full-size bottle, into the giveaway box. Yeah, because, I mean, we already have, like, that. All right, next thing that we have is, oh my gosh, are you serious? Full-size Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Fam, I needed mascara. I was just about to order one, but I'm a little bit like financially like caught in a little bit of a moment right now. This is one of the best mascaras on the market. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It is like it. So first of all, what is it called? The applicator, the thing. It's a hourglass. It's amazing. I love it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited that we got that in this box, you guys. Like, I needed it. So it's amazing. All right. Next item that we have is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys. Okay. So freaking out for a second. Obviously. Sorry. You don't even know what I'm looking at. But, okay. Shut up. Shut up. Seriously. We got Tula face masks. You guys. So I'm going to be real with you. I was on Instagram the other day and I saw these face masks from Tula and I was like, I really want them, but I can't afford them. And they sent them in the box. Oh my gosh. Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. 2 sets of 2. I am like, I'm done. I can't eat, like, I can't even like function right now. This box is already just like, my mind is just like all over I'm done. I can't even, like last month we got face masks from, whatchamacallit, Tatcha, and now we're getting from Tula. Like, I just Tatcha and Tula, like, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, next thing we have is Shimmering Swan. It's a glow up highlighter from Pretty Vulgar. I'm trying to open it up. Oh, this is a pretty shade. Look at this. It's like a pretty, like, gold shade. Can you guys see that? Okay, I'm actually gonna put this into the giveaway box because this is a really nice highlighter, but I don't really need a highlighter this color right now. That's amazing. Then we have Throwback Jam Always On Liquid Lipstick Rouge from Smashbox. Okay, so we have a full-size liquid lipstick from Smashbox. Are you guys seriously like seeing this box? Like, is anyone paying attention to this? Look at this. Look at that pretty color. Okay, I actually don't need any lipstick that color, so that's gonna go in the giveaway box too. Dude, like, this box is amazing. I love it. So if you have not signed up already, this is your wake up call. This is your call to action because, like, seriously, dude. And I'm trying to see here, the Tula face mask. Yeah, so they're $24 value for 2 of the sheet masks. Like, that's insane. So to recap the box, we got the Pretty Vulgar highlighter right here in Shimmering Swan. That is going into the giveaway box. We got the No Pore Blum primer from Touch in Soul. That's also going into the giveaway box. We got the full-size Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick, which is also going into the stockpile giveaway box. We got 4 Tula probiotic skincare masks. Like, seriously, guys, like, I can't even right now. I'm actually gonna keep these. And we got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I needed mascara, so I'm gonna keep that too. I am so stinking happy with this box. I'm really impressed with it. So again, if you have not already signed up for it, this is the moment to do it because, like, seriously, like, dude, like, I don't know what you're waiting for. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3 of Box Week. All right, talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. Here on my channel. So if you're like, this is too much, get out now. Because once you get wrapped up in the Just Like Drew crew, you're not getting out. Also, that brings me to, if you wanna join